Our team is Team XpaNet, and we participated in designing solutions for defense during the spring semester of 2020 at the University of Southern Mississippi. Our team was tasked with fixing a problem. Our problem was that Camp Shelby struggles with cellular connectivity due to influxes in personnel, which leads to overloaded and crippled connections. At first, it was a bit puzzling to figure out how to address this problem, which would become our problem statement and then lead to the creation of our future MVP. To address this problem, we got out on the field, and we decided to figure out different ways to not only reach out to personnel, but also other individuals that might give us beneficial information. Because of the widespread effects of this problem, there are many stakeholders that our MVP serves. These stakeholders include Camp Shelby personnel, organizations on base, temporary residents, and non-military entities in the surrounding area. After completing 110 interviews, we have determined our final MVP that would provide the greatest benefit to Camp Shelby, a decision-making matrix of possible choices to improve cellular communications at Camp Shelby. These decisions include waiting for 5G, continuing to purchase cows or colts, and buying additional hardware such as boosters and repeaters. The final decision-making matrix that our group provides uses weighted scoring. This scoring is on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest score and 1 being the lowest score assigned to the decisions. We assess several categories, including availability, range, price, certainty, and stability. Weights are assigned to each of these options, and the weights that we use were provided by Camp Shelby personnel, specifically Chief Lindsay. By providing a decision-making matrix, we hope to allow Camp Shelby leadership to make an informed decision on what solution could best be implemented on base. The results from the total score weighted category of our decision-making matrix suggest that Camp Shelby personnel should use a variety of tactics to fix the cellular communication problems that are currently present at Camp Shelby. However, it also suggests that waiting for 5G could potentially be the best option, followed by buying additional hardware such as boosters and repeaters, and continuing to purchase cows and colts. Although the decision-making matrix does present that one option could potentially be better than the others, we do suggest that Camp Shelby use all of these options combined as they see fit. Our final MVP also provides additional information for Camp Shelby to use when dealing with the cellular connectivity problem. We also provide pros and cons for each category that is included on our decision-making matrix, and we are also providing Camp Shelby personnel with connections that will help with decision-making and the obtainment of necessary technologies. These connections are employed at AT&T and C Spire, and are also in touch with local companies who supply hardware to organizations. Our MVP seeks to provide Camp Shelby personnel with the necessary information and connections to improve cellular communications throughout the base. By improving cellular communications, we will increase stakeholder benefits and advance the base's operations.